How to add bio and credentials on Quora. On Quora, authority is everything. To show people why you're qualified to answer their questions, you need to add your bio and specific credentials. This guide will walk you through building your professional identity on the platform. Navigate to your profile and tap Edit on the bio section. This is your chance to expand on your expertise and interests. Instead of just listing facts, write a few sentences about your journey or what you're passionate about. A good bio makes you more relatable and helps you stand out when people visit your profile from one of your viral answers. Quora allows you to set different credentials for different topics. Tap Add Credentials and choose a category such as work or education. For example, you can list your job title for career questions but list your hobby as a chef for cooking questions. Build your authority and watch your engagement grow. Like and subscribe for more Quora expert tips.